Tradies of Australia. Here's another coach telling you what to do in order to have a happy life and a successful business. I get it, you're probably up to here with it. And I want to talk to the guys that are a little bit more skeptical and a little bit more resistant. It's smart because it's protected you in the past. However, it's holding you where you are. If you're not prepared to take some sort of chance and a little bit of a risk, you're not going to go and learn how to go and be different about your business. So I'm inviting you specifically to come on board for 1 month, absolutely free of charge, to test us out.
My biggest takeaway from the program is the network that you gain. Having that team around you is very, very helpful.
So our biggest takeaway from the program would be getting specific, setting a goal, setting a date, and making sure that things happen within that time frame.
It's not only about the actual business coaching and sales program, it's more about the networking and the community you get put into. I've met a lot of good people, a lot of good friends through Tradesformation.
If you like it, you're more than welcome to stay. But if you don't, we can shake hands and we can go separate ways with zero risk to you. What do you got to lose?